Welcome to the Artificial Professor, and in this video, I will explain how to delete business page on Facebook. Open your Facebook app. Tap on your profile icon, which is at the right top. From here, switch to your professional business page. Be tapping on this arrow icon. From here, if you have too many pages, so when you will tap on this, all of your pages will appear here. But I have only one, so that's why it is only one page. Simply switch your Facebook ID to your business page. So as you see now, it's switched to my professional business page. Again, tap on this profile icon and scroll it down, and tap on Option Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. From here, tap on the option Page Settings, scroll it down, and here is the option Access and Control. Tap on this one. So here is the option Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on this one. So if you want to deactivate your page for a specific period of time, then simply tap on Deactivate Page. But if you want to delete your page, then simply tap on Delete Page. After selecting one of these, tap on Continue. Select all of these, but if you don't want to select, then simply tap on Continue, scroll it down, and simply tap on the option Continue. Then your Facebook page will be deleted permanently. So with this way you can delete your Facebook business page. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.